Look what I've got. You know what that means. It's time for another tiny party. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I am super duper excited today because it is the Tiny Party Club box for April. I have no idea what the theme is, and I've forgotten my scissors. I thought I was getting the hang of this. I thought I was getting the hang of remembering that I need to bring my scissors to unboxings, and no, evidently not. Never mind. Anyway, one thing I'd like to know is if you guys can hear me nice and clearly. I mean, obviously, I'll find out when I edit this video, but I just want to know because, you know, your girl is rocking a brand new microphone. You know, I've gone wireless, darling. I've gone wireless. So, yeah, feeling a little bit like a proper YouTuber at the moment. So, yeah, I'd just love to know if it's nice and clear for you, basically. But as I said, I will know that soon enough anyway. But still, it's good to get your thoughts and your feedback. Anyway, I'm excited. Let me get into this bad boy. Now, as per usual, I will be leaving you guys a discount code in the description box below so that you can, of course, go ahead and get your fill at the Sugar and Sloth Tiny Party Club, or of course, you know, you can grab yourself any other goodies that you see. That they do so many amazing things. They do clothing, they do stationery, they do lots of super duper cool stuff. Okay, I need something. I need something to get this open. Give me a second. Okay, I'm in. Now, if you're new to my unboxings, then you won't already know this, but I do like to just go in without looking. I don't like to get spoilers. I love surprises. So I'm gonna just have a little feel around. Okay, it's usually wrapped up in tissue paper. Oh, it's pink today. I'll give you a little glance at the tissue paper. That's very overexposed. Hold on. Can you see that? There you go. So pretty pink tissue paper today and a lovely little pelican sticker. Woo! I'm excited. I'm also excited because I'm finally using the rear camera of my phone because I finally figured out how to do screen mirroring onto a tablet. So now I can actually see what you can see, because before I always used my selfie camera. So yeah, your girl's upgrading. I mean, seeing as we have hit 10,000 subscribers now, you know, I have to up it a little bit, don't I? Right, let's see. Let's see what we have got. This feels like it's the leaflet that tells you what's in there. Yes, it is. Okay, let's pop you down there because I don't want spoilers. Let's see. What is this? This feels like a notebook of sorts. What? Everything is completely under control. It looks like there's like a bathtub on fire or something. Hold on, let me focus that. There you go. Can you see? Everything is completely under control. Completely. What is in this notebook? Oh, it's just like blank pages, but it's got some cute little dinosaurs. Look at this dinosaur here showing off her bouquet. Okay, dinosaur with bouquet. We love that. We love that. And there's another one there. That is so cute. Let me focus it so you can see. Can you guys see? There you go. That is so cute. So this can be used basically for anything, for sketching, doodling. That's both the same thing. Just, you know, scribbling down your notes. These are so adorable. Such adorable little designs. Oh my goodness. I love it. I absolutely love that. Thank you so much. What's next? We usually get an enamel pin. We will save that for last. There may be some stickers in here as well. This feels like it could be a sticker of sort. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stickers. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Cute but fierce. The world's kindest warrior. I'm very overwhelmed. This is me. This is what I need. This one is me. This is like a constant state of mind for me. Just overwhelmed, just all the time. In good ways, bad ways, just all the time, just always just overwhelmed. That is me to a T. So lovely, and I really like the quality of these stickers. That's like proper nice vinyl, that's gorgeous. Really cute. Next, what do we have next? I think this will be the calendar. because we get monthly calendars now. That's right, without the months on, so that you can just like do them yourself. So here it's got all the cute little dinosaurs on there. What else is in here today? Oh, hang on, no, that's the pin. We'll move you there. That's a badge. That's a badge. Oh, cute but fierce. Don't mess, because I'm cute, but I'm fierce. Okay, is that the last thing before I pull out the pin? I think so. I think that's the last thing. Is that it? No, it's not. It's not. What's this? Oh my God, what's this? Dragon Dream House. Oh, so you like... Oh, that's so cute. So you have to cut this out. Look at this, guys. That is adorable. Let me just focus it so you can see. So you cut this out and you fold it up and it becomes a little dragon dream house. That is so, so cute. Oh, I think this is supposed to be like note paper because on the back it's just got, hi, you're cute. So this might be like note paper, but then you can just like cut it up and fold it up and make it into a little dragon dream house. That's adorable. I think it's time now to open up the pin. Oh, look, the bag actually matches my outfit today. I'm very excited today. I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy today. I wonder if this is going to be the dragon that says, I'm cute but fierce, or if it's going to be the one that says, I'm very overwhelmed. Which one's it going to be? I don't know. It's the one that was on the skateboard. That was in the thing. It's neither of them, but it's still adorable. Look at him on the little skateboard. I've got so many of these gorgeous little pins now. Thank you so much, Sugar and Sloth. Now, we know that it wouldn't be a tiny party without the tiny amount of confetti. So let me just gather it up here on my hands. There we go. Just a little bit of confetti to make us smile. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. It's the little things, and those little things now I have to pick up off the floor. I'll do this for you guys, okay? So there you have it, my darlings. If you enjoyed this video and if you thought, you know what, I could really do with a tiny little surprise coming through my door every single month that would really make me smile, then simply check out the description box below for your very cheeky little discount, so you can go ahead and subscribe to the Tiny Party Club box and get yourself a little treat every single month. They also have a whole heap of things on the website that you will probably love if you enjoyed this video. Right, I am off now to go ahead and film the full fit because I know that you are dying to see what I paired up this t-shirt with. So hopefully you will join me for that video very, very shortly. If this is your first time here and you are loving the vibe, then make sure that you just subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.